In this beautiful living planet, birds are the invaluable gift of the nature. We find thousand species of birds, starting from a tiny hummingbird to a gigantic ostrich. Some of the birds build their nests on the trees, some in the caves, and some other on the ground. It is very interesting to watch a bird. Man is always inquisitive to know about the activities of the birds. In course of time, many birds are becoming extinct like Toto. It's the responsibility of the mankind to conserve the birds that play a very important role in the environment of this planet. Barapahad forest is a paradise of birds known and unknown. Beautiful waterfall, lush green forest, serene environment attract the birds in all the seasons. Ashy ground sparrowlark, popularly known as Delkudu, is a ground nesting bird. Our team followed the bird for then a month and tried to record the activities of this bird. Female bird makes the nest on the ground, digging the earth. After that, she encircles the hole with stone pebbles. The team is now preparing a height for smooth photography of the bird's activities. The birds should not feel disturbed with the presence of man. See, the male bird. The crown is ashy and the belly is black. But in case of the female bird, the crown is not ashy and the belly is not black. She looks just like a hen sparrow. The female bird is moving around to collect pebbles. When the structure is ready, she starts the interior work with grass and soft materials to make it comfortable and cozy. All the nests are east facing. Now, the nest is ready for the chicks. The female bird lays two eggs at a time. The team is now getting ready to see the eggs. Hey, here are the eggs. The length of an egg is 19 mm and breadth is 13 mm. The weight is 2 grams and its color is sky blue blotched with brown. Both the male and female birds help in incubation of the eggs for a period of about 10 to 12 days. Slowly the chicks come out of the eggs. Both male and female birds search food for the chicks and feed them. The food of the birds consists of grasshoppers and small insects. The chick takes daily food weight of 2 times its own weight. Slowly, the chicks grow. They are able to come out of the nest. They will become independent soon. See, feathers have grown on the body of the chicks. Now they are coming out of the nest. With the guidance of the parents, they move outside and learn flight. They take nearly 7 days after hatching to come out of the nest. Around 3 to 4 days are enough for them to be able to take flight. This ashy crowned sparrowlark is an innocent bird and helps our environment by killing insects and pests. It beautifies the nature and entertains the bird watchers.